Hi, my name's Kai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Fisher's Cube. I think this is a really fun cube and very confusing at the same time. And I think that it's really cool. So I'm really excited to show you how to solve it today. Enjoy! Alright, let's get started. But first things first, you need to learn how to solve the Skewb before solving this, so you can go check my channel for that video. Once you learn how to solve the Skewb, we can get started. So first, we need to put these edge pieces in, or these corner pieces. They're actually corner pieces, along with this white center. So we're going to start with the white center and put in the pieces. And remember, when we're doing it, remember to make it so that it's the correct color scheme is like this. Remember that it's red, white, and blue, not blue, red, and white, or blue, white, and red. It's red, white, and blue, so these two can't be flipped. You also got to remember that red is opposite of orange and blue is opposite of green. And then we can just do the same thing as the Skewb, just for this. Now we're gonna have this, and then we want to put these edges in correctly. So here that we can see that this one on top, you're wondering where it needs to go. So this one doesn't go down there because this is green and orange. So green and orange would go down here because it's green and orange. So if we turn it down this way, we're going to see, does this match up? No. So we're going to turn it down this way and see, does this match up? Yes. If it matches up, you're going to bring that same side down. So like if it's like this, you're going to bring it down and make sure that this is same color, and then bring the other side down, bring the other side up, bring the other side up. And it's colored. And what you didn't notice, when we swap these two, we also swap this one and this one. So you got to remember that when you're solving it. So here, this one needs to go down here, so we can do that. But it also messed up what we already solved. But here we have a case, which is solvable, which is a 3 swap. So this one needs to go here, this one needs to go here, and this one needs to go here. So we're going to take that piece on top here, this piece, and you're going to put it down to where it needs to go. So this one needs to go here like this. And then you're going to turn it around 180 degrees so we can put this one in here. And then the edges are solved. But they're really not. They're flipped here. They're flipped. So what we need to do is flip them. Here, here's one algorithm that will flip these 3 front ones. So this one, and this one. So this one, and this one will flip. And you have to do some like calculating so that you know which ones to flip. So here I have this 2 case. So if I flip this one, it will flip this one back to normal and flip these two opposite. And then I can do the algorithm here, and it will flip this one, and flip this one, and it will be solved. So here I can do the algorithm, which is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And so it's down, down, up, up 2 times. And then you're going to repeat it here, because I need to do it here. Okay. Now, you're going to have one of 2 cases. One where 2 need to flip, or all 4 are unsolved. So here I have 2 that need to face the yellow center. So these 2, you're going to take this, and you're going to see that this is... this kind of looks like a W because it's like this. So that W always goes on the right, or on the left. Sorry, left. And then you're gonna do this algorithm. So you're gonna do down, down, up, up 4 times, starting with the right. So down, down, up, up, up. And then down, down, up, up. And then you're going to do it again. Down, down, up, up. Then you're going to do it again. Down, down, up, up. And now I have this case where 4 of them are unsolved. And you're going to put this V-looking thing. It looks like a V over to the right, and always the W is on the left. This looks like a W because it's like this, or the W kind of looks like, if you take it like this, it kind of looks like, for some reason it looks like a W. I think it's because this is down, up, so it kind of looks like a W here. So the W always goes on the left, even with both cases. So the W goes to the left, and we're gonna do the same algorithm: down, down, up, up, starting with the right 4 times. So like this. I'm just doing it really fast. And then your cube will be solved. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to solve the Fisher Skewb. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And once you subscribe, you can hit the notified button so you can get notified when more of my videos come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!